Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest videos. So it is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet dog sweater ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. These are beautiful ideas for your sweet pet dog. Most demanding collection. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas. Most demanding collection. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, print color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful handmade knitting variety. All the patterns are very beautiful and easy. Viewers, if you know crochet work, so you can also at your home, make at your home. If you don't know crochet work, so you can buy this crocheting work from any shopping mart. And if you want to buy online, so please visit some websites like AliExpress, Amazon, everywhere.com, ETSI.com, Light in the Box, Canvas.com and Super.com. Very nice. So beautiful and different ideas. So cute, elegant crochet work. Very nice. Okay, viewers. Now I have to go. But you watch my video till then. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.